The night sky has always held a special place in human culture. It's a canvas upon which we've painted our myths and legends, our hopes and dreams. Despite our fascination with the stars, how much effort do we actually make to search for another habitable planet?
Noreen, we're making incredible progress in our search for a habitable planet. Our discoveries can reshape the way we look at the universe. We need to find a skilled photographer that can capture the essence of our journey.
You're absolutely right, Clayton. The visual documentation will be vital in conveying the magnitude of our findings to the world. Let's explore our options and find someone who can truly do justice to your groundbreaking work.
I posted on the office announcement board, but nothing yet.
Why don't you post it at the cafeteria? I believe it'll get more exposure. More people can see it out there.
That's a great idea. Thanks, Noreen. This mission is more than just a scientific exploration. It's about inspiring the world, igniting the sense of wonder and possibility. The photographer we choose needs to understand the gravity of this undertaking.
You are absolutely right, Clayton. We need someone who can truly encapsulate the emotions, the awe, and the significance of your findings.
Yes. You're right. We'll find somebody.
You're out there.
Yeah.
can fly.
Thank you for coming in for the interview.
Oh, thank you.
If you don't mind me asking, what inspired you to apply for the job?
Well, I've always been drawn to capturing memories and moments on film and photography.
Sounds great. How do you think your photography skills can benefit our team?
Well, I think I have a unique perspective, and my creativity can bring some fresh looks to the team's projects. I'm great under pressure, deadlines and all that. And plus, I have experience with film and digital photography, so I'm really adaptable and can bring that versatility to the team's projects.
Sounds great. When can you start?
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can start as soon as possible.
All right.
Really?
Welcome to the team.
Wow. Thank you so much.
I'm actually going to go get lunch. Have you had lunch yet?
No, I haven't actually.
They have a great cafeteria here. We could talk about the job.
That would be amazing.
Awesome.
Thank you. Wow.
All right.
Yeah, that'd be amazing. Thank you so much. Wow.
Hey, Winsome. How's everything going with the photos you took last night? That's fantastic. I mean, I can't wait to see the results. I mean, you really captured the essence of an event last time. Yeah. Good job.
Good morning, everyone. Today we will be delving into a fascinating topic of habitable planets. We will discuss the conditions necessary for a planet to support life. But before we begin, I would like to introduce our esteemed colleague, Dr. Noreen. She has an extensive knowledge in this field and will be joining us for today's lecture. Today, Professor Clayton cannot come and join with us, even though he is very much willing to.
Thank you, Professor Yuki. I'm delighted to be here today exploring this captivating subject with all of you.
Professor Yuki, are there any specific types of planets that are more likely to be habitable?
great question. While the search for habitable planets is ongoing, certain factors increase the chances. Water, for example, is crucial. It acts as the lifeblood of any ecosystem. Lecturer Noreen, would you like to add anything to that?
Certainly, Professor Yuki. Water is indeed vital as it provides a medium for necessary chemical reactions for life. Additionally, the presence of an appropriate atmosphere is crucial for habitability. It retains heat, it shields the surface from harmful solar radiation, and it enables the circulation of essential gases.
The atmosphere plays the vital role, as Lecturer Noreen mentioned. Noreen, would you like to elaborate further?
Of course, Professor. The atmosphere acts as a protective blanket, preventing extreme temperature fluctuations and shielding the planet from harmful solar radiation. It also facilitates the greenhouse effect, keeping a consistent climate so that life forms can thrive.
Professor Yuki, how do factors like proximity to stars and stable objects affects a planet's habitability?
Another great question, Kathy. Proximity to stars affects temperature, while a stable planetary orbit contributes to a consistent climate and the ability to sustain a stable ecosystem. Lecturer Noreen, would you like to add your insights?
Of course, Professor Yuki. The distance from a star determines the amount of radiation a planet receives, which in turn affects its temperature and the potential for liquid water. Additionally, a stable orbit helps maintain a consistent climate and prevents temperature fluctuations that could disrupt life and sustainability.
So, in our search for a habitable planet, are we getting any closer?
Absolutely, Seth. Our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. We continue to explore and enhance our knowledge, inching closer to discovering a habitable world. Lecturer Noreen, would you like to say any recent advancements in this area?
Of course, Professor. Due to recent advancements in technology and space exploration missions, we have made significant impact in the research of finding possibly habitable exoplanets. By studying their atmospheres and their characteristics, we gain valuable insights into the likelihood of sustaining life.
So how can we get involved as individuals to contribute to this field?
Wonderful question, Seth. Engage in further research, stay curious, and foster discussions. Lecturer Noreen, any suggestions for students?
Of course, Professor Yuki. As aspiring scientists, it is important and crucial to stay updated on the latest research, contribute to scientific discussions, and aim to actively be involved in projects to understand and explore potential habitable planets. By sharing our knowledge and collaborating, we can make significant advancements in this field.
Professor Yuki, your lecture has inspired us. What else can we do to make a positive impact?
Thank you. Before we adjourn, I have an exciting announcement. As part of our commitment to environmental sustainability, I invite each of you to join me and Lecturer Noreen in the Make the World Green initiative.
What does the initiative involve?
Next Saturday, we will gather at Riverside Park to plant trees and nurture our local ecosystem. By combating climate change and enhancing biodiversity, we can create a sustainable future. Lecturer Noreen, would you like to say a few words about the initiative?
Of course, Professor. The Make the World Green initiative aims at raising awareness for environmental conservation and taking practical steps towards creating a greener world. By planting trees, we not only help mitigate the effects of climate change, but also foster a more sustainable future.
Count me in, guys. I'm eager to contribute.
Absolutely. I think it's a fantastic opportunity to make a tangible difference.
That's the spirit. Mark your calendars. Let's come together along with Lecturer Noreen, to foster environmental sustainability and create a greener world. I look forward to seeing each one of you at Riverside Park next Saturday. Remember, the power to make a positive change lies within each of us.
Let's get out there and make a difference.
Thank you, Professor and Lecturer Noreen. We're ready to make the world a better place.
It's important to split our balance between our responsibilities and our passion. Speaking of which, I've been meaning to show you something. Check that out. You know, I've been trying real hard to find a new planet that can be habitable by human beings in the future.
Really? Hard to find a planet that resembles Earth.
Yeah. You know, it's important to think about our future generations. I mean, currently, I'm trying to raise awareness about global warming.
I see you teach it to your students.
Yeah, it's really important, especially we need to reduce the use of fossil fuel as much as possible. You know, I focus on energy efficient appliances.
I see you ride your bike every day.
Yeah. You know, renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and biomass are naturally replenished. You know, renewable energy sources can significantly cut emissions and aid in the shift to a sustainable energy system. And I always try to remind myself and my students to use reusable containers, bags, and so on. I know we can do this.
How are you feeling today, Clayton?
I'm feeling a bit better, but I'm just so tired all the time. My doctor says I need to have a pacemaker fitted.
A pacemaker? What does that do?
It's a device that regulates my heartbeat. My heart has been beating irregularly, and this will help it keep it in rhythm.
I'm so sorry, Clayton.
I know I gotta do this. I just can't keep living like this.
I understand.
Thank you.
Of course. Is everything all right?
I think the coffee's too strong for me. You know, with my heart issue, I guess I need to be careful with my caffeine intake.
I'm so sorry. Let me make you some decaf.
I'm sorry.
No. Be right back.
How are you feeling today?
Hey, Dr. Rain, not great. I've been feeling weak and tired lately, and my heart has been racing.
Well, it's possible that your pacemaker is going to need some adjustment. We'll run some tests, and we'll see. Okay? May I have your left hand? Thank you. Okay. Well, Clayton, looks like we're gonna have to make some lifestyle changes since you've received this pacemaker.
Okay.
I think first of all, I would like you to try to avoid any activity which would cause you any physical stress or overexertion.
Got it. Dr. Lin, thanks.
And secondly, also try and stay away from any electromagnetic fields, like the ones found in your MRI machines or even the magnets in your lab.
I'll definitely keep that in mind.
I know that's going to be difficult, so I want you to make sure that you call, email, text if you have any questions, any concerns, or you feel in any way different. This is a big part now of your life.
Thank you, Dr. Lin.
Thank you, and I'll see you soon, and call me if you have any questions. I'm here for you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Is Clayton coming? No reply yet. It's so strange. He's usually so punctual. Maybe he just got caught up with something. Yeah, he's been super busy at work lately.
Come on, show me something good. What is that? New planet? Yeah, it is. I found it finally. Is it a new star? It is. I gotta go check out the X-ray telescope. Oh, God, this isn't good. I gotta get this checked out. Oh, what
the hell's going on with my chest?
Oh my god! Someone call 911! Help me! Oh my god! Clayton! Wake up! Somebody! Clayton!
I'm Dr. Ken. We need to perform surgery to replace his pacemaker. It is a risky procedure, but it's the only way to save his life. You need to sign the consent form.
Will it be okay, doctor?
We'll do our best to make sure he pulls through. Okay?
Okay.
We'll do everything we can. It was my understanding that he was unconscious in the rain for too long.
We need to stabilize him. Doctor! His pacemaker failed. Doc, you're gonna want to take a look at this. I don't know, something's wrong.
What happened?
Because his pacemaker, it failed.
This is bed 14?
Yeah, bed 14, right over here.
Let's see.
Alright.
Call the OR. Tell them to get the room stat.
you know, it's amazing how the tiniest thing can have a big impact. Like when we reduce our plastic use or ride a bike instead of driving a car. I can't walk yet, but I'll never forget the importance of preventing global warming. It's my passion, my purpose. I'll keep on doing it. In fact, it's the responsibility of each and every one on Earth.
Hi Clayton, you're back. We missed you so much. How are you feeling?
Thank you, Noreen. You know, I'm feeling a bit better. You know, the whole hospital thing was a bit rough, but I'm glad to finally be back on my feet.
I can't even imagine what you went through. Are you sure you're ready to be back at work?
Believe me, Noreen, staying at home was driving me crazy. I'm glad I'm here and I could catch up with everyone.
Well, we're thrilled to have you back, but don't hesitate to let us know if you need any support or assistance.
Thank you, Noreen.
Absolutely. Now, I heard that you discovered a new planet associated with your name. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, thanks for that, Noreen. You know, I still need to do some research on its habitability, but I'm glad to be back and contribute to the team.
Yeah, so much to catch up on.
Welcome, everyone. Today we embark on a meaningful journey to contribute to a greener Earth. Let's make a positive impact together.
Yeah. Indeed. By planting trees, we not only help combat climate change, but it also enhances the beauty and biodiversity of our surroundings.
I'm thrilled to be part of this initiative. Let's get started and make a difference. One tree at a time.
All right, let's do it, guys. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll follow you guys.
Okay.
All right.
Awesome.
You know, by planting trees here today, we're not just making this park look more beautiful. We're actually like creating habitats for wildlife. We're also making the air cleaner and the environment healthier.
Yeah, every single little tree we plant has the potential to lower carbon dioxide and reduce pollution and fight climate change. That's pretty cool.
Look what we've accomplished so far. It's incredible how our collective effort creates such a good impact.
Yeah.
Great job, guys. You know, we are proud of you guys. Your enthusiasm and dedication exemplify the spirit of environmental responsibility. So thank you guys.
Absolutely. It's heartening to see young minds helping to create a more sustainable future. Your actions today encourage others to follow suit.